Okay, next we have jab. Your initial jab is the first punch. Every great fighter has to have a good jab. Really simple. Whatever leg's in front, that side jab. So right now he has his left leg in front, left hand will jab. It's a straight out punch and back. Okay, jab it to the guard. Good. Right to the mid. Again. Nice. Notice he's following his jawline as he punches out. His hand is right there, keeping himself from getting hit in the jaw. We call the S5 knockout point right here. So most fighters you see getting knocked out, they're getting hit right on that spot. But by him following his jawline, he's avoiding the knockout hook on that line. Once again, jab, 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 jab. Perfect. And that is the jab.